Hello, this will be an instructional video on how to use our Respironics Nebulizer. Inside the box, you'll receive your nebulizer machine, one neb kit, and the instruction manual. We'll start off on how to properly attach your nebulizer kit. You'll get a T-piece, medicine cup, and mouthpiece. There will be two sides on the T-piece, large and small. Make sure to connect the mouthpiece to the large side. When filling your cup with the medicine, make sure not to put it down the middle because this will get the medicine in the tubing. Make sure to only fill on the outer edge. When connecting the top piece of your medicine cup, make sure to keep it right side up so the medicine will not spill out. You'll take one end of your tubing and connect it to the bottom of the medicine cup like so. Now you're ready to connect the tubing to your machine. On the machine on the left-hand side, connect your tubing like so, and now you're ready to use your nebulizer. On the right-hand side, on the back of the machine, there will be an on and off switch. To start your treatment, flip the switch on, and when completing your treatment, flip the switch off. Make sure to rinse out your nebulizer kit after each use and air dry. Any questions or concern, please call us above. Thank you.